Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Harry Potter Gold Snitch Pewter keyring. So keychains are basically for making finding keys easier, and it adds a nice personalized touch to them at least. And also you can put it on a lot of different things. You can put it on your purse or your wallet. You can use this to attach to anything, and it just basically stands out. I love Harry Potter, and in the magical sport of Quidditch, a seeker is a player who chases after this tiny flying ball with wings called a snitch, and if he or she catches it, then their team automatically wins the game, and they're very important to the game. And Harry Potter, the main character of the Harry Potter franchise, of course, was one. Anyhow, I've always thought snitches were so cool, at least in Harry Potter games. And Harry Potter, for those of you who are not aware, is a series of books written by J.K. Rowling about a young boy who finds out he is a wizard and is swept off into the world of Hogwarts, and that's a magical school of witchcraft and wizardry. It is gold at its core, here, the sphere, and it has silver wings, as you can see. My friend gave it to me as a gift, and I use it every day on my keyring. I took it off, obviously, so I could show you. The metal is very detailed. I like how the wings have ridges in them, so it really does look more realistic, like feathers almost. It is very shiny, and I always misplace my keys, and so this makes them stand out, basically. I've always wanted to play Quidditch. It seems like such a cool sport, and just to have this is kind of as close as I've come to playing it, although someday I do plan to play it. I know they have teams somewhere. And so my friend gave this to me about a week ago, and it fits in my purse, and security might have a problem with it for carry-on, like if you're traveling, because the wings are kind of sharp. They're not like sharp like they're gonna cut you, but you never know these days with airport security how they're going to be. So I would just keep that in mind. And they are kind of pointy, so it does not open up, which is a common misconception people have. A lot of people think they can put something in it, but it doesn't open up. And the wings do move up and down, like you can, but they're not like flying wings. They don't just go everywhere. See, like if I shake it, they're gonna move, but it's not like they're going up and down and flapping like in the movie. It is definitely more for effect, and the wings move and it makes a little noise, so if you're rattling around you can hear it, but it's pretty quiet. It's not something that will catch a lot of attention. If you're fumbling for your keys in a library, you won't get too much in trouble for it, if you get what I mean. It's definitely one of those things that it's more for show that you carry on you. It catches people's attention, and it's just very nice to have if you are a fan of the series or the franchise in general. My previous keychain had broken. The ball is about 3/4 the size of a golf ball. Wings are tip to tip is about 5 inches long. So as you can see, I don't know if that's exactly how big it was in the movie, but that's kind of how it is now, and I can kind of imagine how it looked in the movie now. It came already assembled. I didn't have to do anything my friend gave it to me as a gift, but like when I got it, it was already put together. And the wings do not fold like in the movie. They don't fold over each other. So that's one thing I would keep in mind as well. It also looks a lot like the one in the movies. So if you do watch the movie, you'll get very excited when you see this. And it It is surprisingly sturdy. Like, it's very heavy, surprisingly. Like, it's not just light and it doesn't feel like it's just gonna break or split apart. It actually feels like it has some weight to it, so it's not just gonna fly away. And it is surprisingly, like, yeah, it just feels like better quality. And it is gold and silver, not just gold. It's made in China, and it actually is officially licensed by Warner Bros. And the manufacturer Monogram is actually on it, I think. It's Monogram Direct. That is actually the manufacturer. So it is a great gift idea for any Harry Potter fan, and I definitely would recommend checking it out if you're looking for a good gift idea. Thank you so much for watching this video.